Ni na uthocha ingi tuendete na kumanithia Muvia wa uima wa mwii niwathana Kuseuvya Nzama ya Mwanya kyumwa tuendete kuthinikia kana kyumwa ni tuendete kuthinikia maundu ma Uiiti mwithianu kwa makili ma enenthi ala Makunikie ni ivithukia ya Mbomu myakoni ya nthi America musyini wa Ilovi myaka miongo 25 mivitu vala kuvikiiya umunthi matakwataa Uiiti wa kwaila mwana kuendeesya ithimo. Minisa Muviani uomuandu na kumicha ni waweta Muvia wake nukunenania na sivitali sionthe cia kaunti kwitana enenthi ala meikwatia nthi ya America ni kumaiva ndivisio nthini wa musukumo mweu ula oyuwe mbungeni ya Senate na utongwewe ni seneta wa Masaku Mwandu Agnes Kavindu Muthama. Benjamin Mwaka na livoti.
Muvia wa Uiiti na uima wa mwenenthi ni weteka mbukio chama na ma enenthi ala kuvikiiya umunthi methitwe maikaila silikali matethia kukwata Uiiti wina withianu kumanwa na makuniko ma ivithukia ya Mbomu maofisini ma America va Kenya mwakani wa 1998. Minister Muvia ni umwandu na kumicha avikite mbewanza maimwana ya mbunge ya Senate ni wathana kwambia kyumwa ni kichukite Kuseuvya board ile kwambia kuthinikia vata tuendete yambe
by reviewing their medical records and undertaking medical assessment. This can be done through a formally constituted medical board. We can put together a board that then can look into the issues and review their files so that we know what is the current status and therefore what would they be needing. So it's not a board that will require any other approvals. It's just from the ministry and by myself. So that we should be able to do it as fast as even by the end of next week. The team should be ready to start sitting and reviewing the documents.
Mwandu na kumicha havikite mbewanza maimwana ya Senate ila yendea kukunikila ulwande vi siami sila ya kunikie hungu wa mwene kivila seneta wa kaunti ya Masaku Mwandu Agnes Kavindu Muthama no weta kivalua chambe cha bodi ekithwa kutethesya kukunikila uima wa mwii wa enenthi ala Makunikie na ala maumiiye ivithukia nthi na undu wa kwaila Uiiti wo kwa oyu.
The multidisciplinary team has to sit, speak to the survivors and come up with something that then we can translate into money and put into budget. But before the assessment is done, it will be difficult to do it. I believe their first responsibility will be to know how do they get to the survivors. How do the survivors get to assessment? People don't have to come to Nairobi for assessment. We have facilities within the counties. They can be asked to report to their nearest facility and a representative of the team goes there and sees them at where they can be seen.
Inge Muvia wa Uiiti nuwathingila wina mutatala mwe wa Uiiti wa kuthesya kinandu cha Uiiti cha NHIF kwa kuete nzia itatu cia kuitithia wo vala kati wasyo mwene kuete kinandu cha kuita maumisyo manene na maumisyo mambanga nthuku.
These bills are already in parliament for fast tracking because by the time we are launching, we do not want to launch then when people go to facilities these things are not in place. The third and most important fund that will be introduced by that social health insurance bill and which will respond to the issues today is that we have advised that we have an emergency, chronic and critical illness fund. With that fund, Madam Chair, it should be able to take care of anyone who is involved in an emergency and needs medical care.
Ateo maseneta na amwe maenenthi ala Makunikie kumanwa na ivithukia ya Mbomu ni makulia Muvia wa Uiiti ukalile Kuseuvya bodi na kuikithia mathina ala enenthi ama ende kwisila ni mathunikiwa kwa mituki.
I'm not able to feed them, take care of my children because of my injuries, even cooking for them as a mother, giving them the care that a mother gives. I wasn't able to give my children. I feel so hard.
But we're thinking of doctors, specialized doctors who could give a current status of health, a current physical, medical condition of the people. Some of the people still have glass in their bodies and it has not been removed or some of it have been removed slowly over the years.
When we have NHIF and we commit counties to pay subsidized health insurance for the survivors through the counties, we might be setting ourselves to fail. Isn't it possible that we have these premiums paid by the national government?
I know you have good plans for all those funds that are in place and the bill at the National Assembly. But I would request you kindly see what you can do at your level and also speak to the President about these victims.
You know, normally, if you just hear it from somewhere, you do not get it. But now that I have seen it, I have heard it myself, I empathize and I should be able to speak on their behalf.
Kuma vambungeni ya Senate musyini Ilovi ndilivotia vilingwa mauvonye nitawa Benjamin na Mwaka.